How to adjust iPad full screen. So this is going to be a little different from using a specific app and shrinking it or using multiple apps at the same time. We're going to go ahead into our settings and make use of the zoom setting inside our accessibility. So go inside your setting and then go to accessibility. You could search for it yourself over here if you like, but once you have entered accessibility, go ahead to your vision and go to your zoom. Then just go ahead and toggle it on. If you want the instructions on how to use this more properly, it's going to be here. And the zoom magnifies the entire screen by double tapping 3 times to zoom. You're gonna use 3 fingers and you're gonna double tap it on any part of the screen to zoom in like so, and then still 3 fingers to drag it around so that you don't accidentally use 2 fingers and just unzoom it or something. So you can choose wherever you want it to be in the screen. As long as you don't use your 3 fingers, it won't do anything else. We'll go back to our main screen to make it much easier. So again, double tap with 3 fingers to zoom out or zoom in. You can double tap with 3 fingers and then dragging it to your specific size. So double tap and then zoom to whichever size you want. So as you can see over here, you double tap twice and then just drag it slightly as possible depending on what your maximum zoom was, and then it will go ahead and do this thingy where you can just stop and choose your specific zoom size or screen size. But that's pretty much how you can adjust your screen size in your iPad. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.